guys, this is Sudeep here, and well, Spotify is officially here in India now, and it's available to both Android and iOS users. Well, from the time when it's been available only in the States to now, after a solid amount of time of usage, I can clearly tell that Spotify has evolved over time. With that as a note, let's talk about how much worth all the hype around is, and let's see if it actually passes with the rest of the competition. And user interface is something which distinguishes each app from one another, and the user interface of Spotify is a major USP for itself. The newest UI is running on the Indian Spotify version, and it displays the album art in a translucent way towards the back of the player screen. You can access your behind the lyrics or the lyrics page as it's mentioned by swiping up towards the top, and also your artist mentions. But this UI right here is just an experiment one, as we see, because there's a new UI into consideration and experimentation which can be implemented in the near future, and that one actually looks like the older UI which was already there with Spotify, and according to me, to my personal taste, I do like the old one. The newer one just hides the album art, but well, as a common user, you will surely love the UI of Spotify, and it's one of the things which has been kept going for the years, and it's something which every user has loved after switching to Spotify as their streaming service for music. In terms of UI, but then in terms of features also, Spotify doesn't let you go down. Right from the start to the smallest stuff such as queuing, it has the best way to queue your music. And towards your settings, you have various different features, right from data saver mode to a specifically new and exclusive feature called as crossfade here in Spotify. And what does this do? It is basically a feature where it overlaps your one song to the other according to the time limit you have set. It's available till 12 seconds, but then my preferred rate is 4 to 5 seconds, where it overlaps that 4 seconds from both of the songs, and it feels like as if you haven't to wait for the song to end to go to the next song. Not only that, you have various different features you can choose from, right from how high to the or low your quality should be when you're hearing music online to how it should be after you've downloaded it. Spotify also gives information on how much data it's storing in your phone, etc. Now, not only that, Spotify has a new feature or an existing feature which is called as Spotify Connect, which is one of its specialization. It connects your phone to the computer and directly plays songs on that, and how cool is that? Let me show you how it works right now.
And it don't change if I had it my way.
Apart from that really cool feature, Google Maps integration is also available for Spotify, which means you can play the music directly in your Google Maps app. Other than that, there's a small bonus for you stock Android users out there. If you pull down that shade, the notification shade is gonna look really cool with the Spotify app, and it's gonna really make sense because it's quite a lit touch, and the gradient look also finishes it really well. Other than that, you also have Google Assistant enrollment, which means you can use the Google Assistant to play music from Spotify. As a whole, the features of Spotify is plenty and flooded all over the app. Along with the user interface which is seamless in nature, with the features of Spotify, you'd really love to use this app as you're streaming music. So what is it that I want to convey right here? Well, Spotify is your one-stop solution for all the music streaming problems you have right now. It can make you check all the other platforms you use and get to this one single app for once and for all. You can have all the songs you want at your fingertips, and you have all the features which you need too. It is stellar all around, and it's perfect. But then the Warner deal hasn't been signed yet, so precaution on that. You can not have certain songs on your playlist. But with the premium package, you can tap the full potential of Spotify, and you can download songs, etc. And these packs vary from a day to a year, so decide whatever you want and tap the fullest potential of Spotify. With that, to sum it up, Spotify gives you A-grade music and features for a steal deal. But choosing to use it or pass, that decision is clearly all yours. With that being said, this is Sudeep here, hoping that you like this video, and until the next one, peace.